To replace your brake lines on this GSXR, it's a pretty simple task. You're going to take a 12mm socket, break this bolt free. Take it all the way out of there. A little brake fluid's going to come out, so have a rag ready. There's going to be a washer that just fell out of there. There's another one underneath the head of the bolt. If you're reinstalling the same line, you're going to want to use those washers. Ideally, you should put new ones in there, but if you have to, they can be reused. Then we move up to the master cylinder here. And again, take our 12mm socket. Take that bolt all the way up and out of there. There'll be a washer on each side of that line. Again, keep track of those. You may need to reuse them. Keep them in order too, so they go back on the same spot. You can set the line off to the side, put a rag under it because it's going to drip some brake fluid. Now to remove that brake line support in there, it's going to take a 10mm socket and most likely every 1/4-inch drive extension you own. And maybe a swivel. Or you can reach in from the other side and get it with a 10mm open end wrench. Damn it, it's an 8mm socket. All right, try an 8mm. Break that free. You should be able to reach in there with your hand and take the bolt out. Then from there, you can slide that bracket off the old line. You can slide that bracket over the new line right there. And then I'm going to reinstall that line or that bolt there for the bracket. Then from there, you can torque that to spec. Now, when you reinstall the bolt, there's a copper washer that goes on top and the bottom of the line. Those copper washers seal it all up. So, make sure you put one on top and the bottom, and then run these in with your fingertips. No power tools here. And torque that to spec. Then bolt. Remember, washer on top and in the bottom of the line. And start that bolt in by hand. Then torque it to spec. There are plenty of one-man bleeders out there, little hand pump ones. All of them work very well. But what we're going to do with this one, we're going to try and position this all into place. There we go. So we're going to pump up the rear master, hold down, crank it free, tighten it back up. Pump it up, hold down, crank the line free, close it off. After you do this enough, keep doing it until you aren't getting any more air out of there. At that point, it should be pretty good. From there, let it sit for a few minutes with everything closed. Then pump your brake lever. Make sure you got brake pressure. When we do, everything feels good. You can pull your line off of there. Whoop. Clean up your brake fluid mess, and you're ready to go ride. That's all I got.